If you are watching this video, you certainly want to learn how to unclog your toilet, right? Before anything, we have to tell you that the best solution is to make sure your toilets are clean and unclogged. Also, do periodic maintenance in all of the pipes of your house. But we don't always have the time to do that. And our toilets may clog, causing a lot of headaches, isn't it right? If that happens, don't worry. We will teach you 3 ways of unclogging your toilet with homemade tricks. Vinegar and baking soda. This combo is very efficient to unclog toilets, especially those caused by excrements and toilet paper. Mix 1/2 cup of baking soda with 1/2 cup of vinegar and pour the contents directly into your toilet. Wait a few minutes, then flush. Bleach is another excellent product to unclog your sink if you don't want to use vinegar and baking soda. If that's your case, let the bleach act for a few hours before flushing. Hot water. This technique works better when the clogging is caused by excrements or toilet paper, but you shouldn't do it more than 3 times in a row. Fill a bucket with 1/4 of hot water. You can use shower water or boil it on the stove. Some people like to dilute a few drops of dish soap in the water to make the process easier. Pour all the water into the toilet. Wait 5 minutes until the grease melts. Then flush to release the stuck contents. Caustic soda. Only use this procedure after all methods have failed. Avoid doing it too frequently, since caustic soda is a strong product that can damage your toilet and the pipes. Remember that this is a dangerous and highly corrosive chemical, so gloves and glasses are necessary to protect yourself from direct contact. Fill a bucket with water and mix 2 tablespoons of caustic soda with 2 tablespoons of salt. Then pour the contents into the toilet and try to flush. Some people notice similar results by pouring a whole bottle of Coca-Cola into the toilet, with the advantage of not offering so many dangers during its maneuver. Isn't it cool? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. None of these methods helped unclog your toilet? If you tried all these homemade tricks and still have a clogged toilet, it is better to stop to avoid damaging the pipes. Now is a good time to call for professional help. Remember, before anything else, it is always better to prevent your toilet from clogging. After all, unclogging is not a very pleasant thing, is it? Avoid discarding sanitary pads, pieces of soap, wet wipes, and diapers into the toilet. Always throw them in a trash can. Another thing is to watch small children, since they may throw objects into the toilet out of curiosity, causing clogging. Try these tips, then share with us which technique you used and how it went. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.